This is crazy.
It's 23, you know we steppin' on they necks. And I with Nytro know that we gon' come correct. And every time we link up, know that they upset. We beat the odds, going global, we up next. Oh no, yeah, we the best and we doing it well. Spider-Man J, don't get caught in that web. Don't got a question, you know we gon' step. Nytro boy at the top, he a vet. Yeah, we got a mad on the bros, we the best. Jumping on buildings, we breaking the ceiling. Get caught in that web and we making a mess. Yeah, we making a mess. No, we gon' stress. Don't get caught in that web. Nytro, like Nytro, like Nytro.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It is your boy, the YouTube Cruiserweight Champion, J Nytro Vlogs, back at it again. I was watching The Conjuring 2. Really good movie if you haven't seen it. But anyway, I'm coming on here because some of the footage from my last video that I filmed was corrupted. Don't know why, but it was corrupted. Anyway, so I got this new Spider-Man suit. It's from the Far From Home movie. It's super phenomenal, super phenomenal. I had to get an upgraded suit because the suit that I already have doesn't have shoes to go with it, and it's a little flimsy, and there's a hole already in it. So I went on Heroes Time and ordered another suit. Apparently, it was supposed to be here Friday. Got here today. I'm gonna show you guys what the mask itself looks like with the face shell. So let me get that real quick. So this here is the mask. The lenses are rubber, so that's one of the things I like about it, and I love how it fits. There we go. This is actually tough. So I'm gonna see if there's a way I can show you guys. Matter of fact, I took pictures in the suit already. So instead of me putting the suit back on, if I could find a video to where it is already, well, I already have it on. If I find the video where it's already on with the mask, I'll play it. If not, I'll show the pictures, and yeah, super excited about this. I'm gonna try to get the other mask from the house and put it on this face shell for the simple fact that it looks really good. So yeah, guys. Also, I ordered another homecoming suit. The homecoming suit probably may ship tomorrow or Friday, depending on everything going on. But like I said, I'm excited for new things to come with this new suit. For those that don't know, this is a face shell. The face shell goes obviously over my actual face, so it could give the mask and the suit itself like a better look. So instead of people seeing my actual face, they'll see this. So yeah, pretty hard. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try to get some more videos of me in the suit. I'm gonna get some videos of me in the suit. I don't have any. I just have pictures. But I'm excited to show off the new suit in person. I can't tell you when that will be, but once the day gets closer, December 1st. I'll show it. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything y'all do. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Also subscribe to my Twitch, the J Nytro Show. Subscribe to, follow my podcast on Spotify and all other platforms. The 100% Real Podcast with J Nytro. Follow me on Instagram, everything like that. So, gang gang. See you guys later. Too Sweet OUT out. Yeah. Pull it down just a little bit more. There we go. Yo, this is just straight up perfect. Really want to tuck this in. But other than that, bro, this shit is fucking perfect. Then you line it up with these, like the web shooters. This is awesome. Like, you can't see my eyes at all. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this amazing video. But anyway, you guys are so awesome. I appreciate the love and support. So yeah guys, see you later.